Hey, what's up guys? Let me ask you a question. Are you guys tired of cleaning out your carburetors every season? Taking it into a dealer, a dealership, who's always complaining about how bad it runs? Do you want clean power that'll help you ride wheelies all day long? Well, I have a tip for you. This will help you keep from having to ever clean your carburetors again. A lot of bikes have petcocks. That's a funny word, isn't it? What exactly is a petcock? Anyway, so a lot of bikes have petcocks. That's basically the fuel shutoff, or it can go to reserve. I actually installed this one on this bike, so it's running now. What you want to do is turn the fuel off, so eventually it'll run out of fuel and die. Since the petcock's a little too graphic for some viewers, I'm going to use this model and point to the general direction of where the petcock might be.
Petcock. Petcock.
It should be right underneath the tank. So what happens to fuel when it gets old? Well, it gets thick, like molasses. It gets all gummy, it sticks to all the components in your fuel system. And what's part of your fuel system? Well, inside your carburetor, you got these small little orifices. You got these small little orifices called your jets. And they're so tiny, any kind of obstruction in those jets will cause your motor to run terrible. Also, this only pertains to bikes with carburetors. I do this on my dirt bike. I've never had to clean the carb. Shut the fuel off and run it out of fuel.
You never have to clean them.
It might take a while to run the fuel out, but this is a helpful tip. It'll keep your carb clean, keep your jets clean, keep your bike running like new.
They stay clean forever.
Hope this tip saves you money.
Ninja.
Twist your grips, guys. Twist your grips.